Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just offering some inner guidance and inspiration for your day. My name is Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. If you want to know more about Wicca, witchcraft, tarot work, and also shadow work, then hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, share the video with your friends. If you are watching this on Facebook, like, follow, do all that social media stuff anyway, so that you get to see more of these videos. I am using the Divine Guidance cards today. They are actually printed and manufactured in Australia by Affirmations Publishing, and they're absolutely gorgeous cards that I use every day when I'm working with Hecate, actually. So I thought I would pick one today and offer it to you. If it resonates with you, if you're watching this video, it most likely will in some way. Let me know in the comments field how it does resonate with you. So, card for today, thank you. And the theme today is go softly. So how can you go softly through your day? How can you go softly through whatever it is that you're feeling today, or any situation that you're in today? The advice is to remain faithful to your ideals, but do not create problems by being overly demanding of others or of yourself. So I'll read that again. Remain faithful to your ideals, but do not create problems by being overly demanding of others or of yourself. So that is a way of going softly through your day, softly on yourself, softly on others, but also being true to yourself and standing in your own authenticity, maybe speaking your truth, but in a way that is more maybe compassionate or more understanding or more diplomatic than maybe you have in the past. Even if it's something you're really passionate about, maybe it's something that you need to look at different ways of voicing it so that you're not putting people off, and going about things in a way that allows for a soft place to land. Often when we are really passionate about something, or we have an ideal that we really wish other people would also understand and maybe take on, we can get very pushy with that idealism. And we see that a lot today, like really full on today. We see that idealism politically and religion and everything. And the pushing of an ideal onto somebody else actually pushes them away from the ideal. So the best way to handle a situation where you really want to communicate your truth because you're passionate about it and you truly believe in it is to be soft in the way that you discuss it and the way that you deliver it. Because often we can be really idealistic about something and we're seeing things through this lens of idealism, and we don't realize that we may have missed a few things about reality that actually get in the way of the ideal ever being true or ever being even realized. So going softly opens you up to being able to listen to other people's ideas and opinions and experiences, and going softly also helps open them up to listen to you and maybe your experiences and your feelings and ideas. So going softly today is a message for all of us. If you want to learn Wicca and Witchcraft with me, you certainly can check out the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. We're meeting for the full moon tonight on Zoom, and we meet twice a month on Zoom. Plus, you have the rest of the course to do if you want to learn how to connect more to your witchcraft path and walk the way of the witch on a daily basis. The link is in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.